This is a Power BI dashboard that I recently completed, and I wanted to share with you a little bit more about it. Starting with the topic, it's EV charging stations in Rostock, a city in Germany. What do we showcase? What I wanted to do was a visual with a map and all the charging locations on that map. That includes some useful data as well, like status, whether being open, closed, the address of the place, number of charging stations in each particular location, price if available, opening hours, type of charging, network type, and so on. Apart from that visual, I added some slicers on the right hand side and also a battery pack on the top with a few cards showing the number of open locations, number of closed stations, and number of stations with no schedule at all. The dataset. The dataset comes from data.europa.eu, and it's an Excel file. This one here that looks like that. The data is in German. Some translations were needed, of course, in its limited version. Basically, I used and I translated the columns that I needed for the purpose of this dashboard. That's pretty much it for part one. Second part is going to be about how I actually did the transformations in Power Query and how I managed to clean the data and got the statuses, because that was a bit more challenging.